What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making the Cardi B DIY hair mask. I've seen a lot of people do this, so I want to try it. Plus, hair masks are really expensive, especially when you got thick hair like mine. They run out in two or three uses. Can't have that. So today it's really rainy and cold. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like, ugh, so gross, wet. This was all ice this morning. I had to bring all my plants inside. So, yes, I'm gonna be making the DIY hair mask today. Hopefully it goes well, but I'm gonna take you along with me. So, let's go. Oh, you wanna say hi to Kenai? Kenai! Also, I'm doing laundry, so doesn't he look so cute? Okay, that's enough. That's it. So, this is our lineup. I have mayo, honey, an egg, avocado, castor oil, cold pressed, and I'm gonna add a little bit, probably just half of a banana, because I've heard that that's helps it smell good. So why not? Alright guys, so now that it's blended, I'm gonna take it, and I made sure everything was nice and good. I'm gonna pour it in this bowl. The reason I'm using a bowl is so that way when I'm putting it on my hair, it's easier to put in my hair. If you can put it in one of those bottles that gets to your roots, that's probably a good idea too. But we're just gonna put it in here. I know it looks like a lot, and it might be a little much, but my hair is super thick, so I'll definitely be using most of this. I basically did like 2 or 3 tablespoons of each, or like counted by seconds. So with the mayo I did 3 tablespoons, the honey I did 5 Mississippi counts, castor oil 3 Mississippi counts, and then 1 egg and half an avocado. And I love this color, and guys, it actually smells so good with the banana in there. It like cancels out the mayo, and you can kind of smell the castor oil, but it's not too bad. So I'm just gonna leave the spoon in case I do need to use the spoon to apply it, and rinse this out, and then we'll get started. Guys, I just want to get into it so you can really see. This is the color. It's thick, but not too thick. So it can easily go through my hair. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I recorded the whole thing, me doing my hair, and Then I looked at my phone to take a texture shot and realized it did not record the whole thing. So thankfully on my last section, I'll just go over what I was going over. So I'm using my hands to put it in. I sprayed a little bit of water first just to kind of help detangle my hair and be able to section this part of my hair that I'm working on easier. And then I'm just globbing it and putting it in. Surprisingly, I was able to use the whole thing on my hair. So yeah, this is my last section. As you can see, guys, like, I'm so surprised at how well my hair is just soaking it up. And like, look at how it elongates my hair. It's just so cool for me to see the texture of my hair, because I'm not normally able to see it like this unless I put gel. Not that my hair will probably have this exact texture when I rinse it out, but it's nice to see, guys. So yeah, right now I'm just finishing up this last section. Man, I really cut out a lot, but basically my plan is to leave this on for an hour or two, and then at the halfway mark I'm going to take my shower cap off and detangle a little bit, and then leave it on for the last half. Again, I wish I had a steam hood, because this would be like ideal. So I could only maybe be under there for like 30 minutes, but this is fine. It lets me be able to get up and do other things I need to get done throughout the house, so like laundry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it on. I'm so, like, I'm not really surprised, but I'm kind of surprised that I was able to use up like all of this mixture, because like, I know my hair's thick, but I really thought I would have at least a little bit left. But my hair is non-porous, but it loves like anything protein packed, so it's definitely just soaking that all up, and which is good because my hair's thick and it needs all the moisture it can get right now. When I'm done with the section, what I'm doing, or what I've been doing, is just single strand twisting or double strand twisting each section, just to kind of keep it stretched and detangled, so when I go to detangle it at the halfway mark, it won't be near as bad. And guys, it is a little messy. Like, I have this towel on, but it got on my pants, it's on the counter, on my counter, like the cabinets, so be prepared. It's a little messy, but nothing should stain. And since I use that banana, my friend Sierra, if you follow my Instagram, I post her a lot. We're good curl friends, and she used banana, so I used banana too, and it makes it smell so great. I don't know how it would smell without it. I mean, it's got like mayo and honey and stuff, but it smells great with the banana. And Cardi B, I saw in her most recent post she did with the mask that she used aloe vera. So I mean, I think you can just kind of switch it up however you like and what works best for you. So this is the halfway mark. My hair looks like this. I'm about to comb it out and then put my thing back on and then take a shower. And then later on I'll just get in, rinse this out, and boom, we'll have the final result, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is my hair. I just combed it all out. It still has the product in it, but look how long it is, like crazy. So yeah, my hair is pretty long. It's crazy. But so I'm just gonna put it back up and then let it sit, and then I'll wash it out in the shower after about like 20 more minutes, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm out of the shower and this is my hair just with no product in. As you can see, it's super defined. My hair is never ever this defined coming out of the shower, so I think that's really cool. I would let it dry so y'all can like see what my hair looks like dry. Unfortunately, my hair will take like 24 hours to dry if I just leave it like this, so I have to put product in it, and I'm gonna do a protective style. So here we go. Okay guys, so I waited like an hour. As you can see, the shrinkage is real, but it's a little dry, especially in the front. You can kind of see that this is just how it dries now. It'll dry pretty short, but that's it. After everything, my hair is still a little wet, but in the front it's dry almost all the way. So this is my final look. I'm sorry I'm wearing this shirt. I have like 5 big t-shirts, so sorry if y'all see the same shirt over and over again. I wear them at night normally when I'm making these videos. But so as you can see, like my hair is super soft for one, but also like my texture is so like what's the word, abundant. Like you can really see it. It's very, very well seen after doing that mask. So my review on this Cardi B mask is 10 out of 10, honestly. I did see that she uses coconut oil too. I did not use that because I don't know, honestly, probably because I don't have coconut oil in oil form, so to have to like scoop and melt was just extra steps, and so I did everything but coconut oil and then added banana to just make it smell good. My hair, I guess it doesn't really smell like banana, but I did do it a little different. So I didn't wash my hair first and then do the mask, just because my hair really needed the mask. Sometimes I would and sometimes I won't. It just depends on what I feel like, honestly, because yeah, there's no specific way you have to do it. It's just what works for you. Today I just did it because I knew I was gonna wash this out. If you think you can rinse out the hair mask well enough without shampoo, then go ahead, but with my thick hair I can't really gauge and see whether it's all out or not, so shampoo just to be safe. But yeah, I think 10 out of 10. I plan on doing this every 2 weeks, so twice a month. So you'll see me in 2 weeks probably doing it again. I won't post about it, but I fully like this Cardi B hair mask. I'm sure she's not the only one who's done it, but I know it's going popular because of her posting it on her Instagram. So shout out to Cardi B, shout out to all the black women DIYing, especially in this pandemic. Y'all are the goats, and happy Black History Month. Bye.